I really have the worst headache. I'm really hoping it's not something a little Sunny D and Tylenol can't fix. I'm eating a Cinnamon Toast Crunch treat bar because I didn't get a chance to make my oatmeal this morning like I wanted to. Zahara stayed up all night once again. That's just a given. But I managed to get up even with not getting any sleep. I think that's where the headache is coming from. It's a combination of not getting any sleep and then trying to just get up after running off of like 2 hours of sleep just so that I can get things done while she's actually asleep. Because she's in a deep sleep right now. I got so many things done. I showered, I did my makeup, I picked out my outfit. By the way, today, it's a little gloomy today. Very cold. I should ask Siri what's the weather. Hey Siri, what's the weather today? Partly cloudy, 52 degrees. It's super cold. As soon as I woke up, I was like, I literally don't feel like getting dressed today. And for me, you guys know I always promote to get dressed, regardless of how you feel. But today, that wasn't it for me. I think I spoke a little bit too soon. Somebody is up. You okay? Morning kisses. So for me, I figured we're gonna go with a good little tight, good little legging, something nice and thick. I have on some Nike socks. I don't know if you guys can see. I put on a white hoodie because it's nice and crisp. Yeah, it's oversized, but the nice thing about this is the white makes it look crisp and clean, and I'm still comfortable. I'm going to put on, 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna put on a high knee boot, giving off like an Ariana Grande vibe, okay? But because I knew I didn't feel like getting dressed today, I was like, you know what? Because I'm not gonna get dressed today, I'm gonna do my hair. Well, I was planning on doing my hair, but that didn't work out so well either. I didn't want to wet my hair because it's really, really cold outside. So I was like, you know what? We're just going to have to go for the bun because I didn't do my hair last night where it would be dry by the morning so I can wear it out big. But in reality, I would have wore it out, put on some nice makeup. I did do my makeup because, you know, I still want to look a little put together even though I'm not fully like dressed. I don't want to just be running around looking raggedy. So that's the good thing about that. So we do have some orders, you guys. I have 2 orders I have to ship off. I have to ship off one of my extra small black satin cami tops, which I am obsessed with. I actually have to press this one out because it's not pressed, so we're actually gonna press this one out today. I need to get a lint roller so I can get some lint off of that. And then we are shipping off the Sunshine Embellished Blazer that has finally sold. This is actually a part of, like, I think, again, one of my first drops. And this one sold as well, which I'm super excited about. So that is that. So these are the 2 orders that we have to ship off. I will let you guys know where they're shipping to. I gotta look at my phone and see. I think one of them is Philadelphia. I'm not sure, but we'll look. Another thing I was gonna say with this whole outfit too, if you want to look even more put together, you could wear like a blazer over the hoodie, and this can also make an outfit look just even more crisp if you just really don't feel like getting dressed. Just throw on a blazer and it's just gonna look more just like more polished and put together. This blazer is a little too big for me. It's a little oversized because it's not my actual size, but if you guys can, like, you guys get the gist. I don't know, you can even put like a white Air Force One with this if you wanted to. You could do something like this, like a black one. This one is from the boutique as well, or you can do something like this, which I love. This is a vintage Tommy Hilfiger blazer that has not sold on this shop yet, surprisingly, but I absolutely love this. I wish it was like my size a little bit more because I would definitely rock this every day. It's like oversized, very oversized, but yeah, you can rock it like this if you're, of course, a little bit bigger than me. I'm very, very small, so this like drowns me. But yeah, this one is on the website as well. So I'm going to just pack this up real quick. You like it, mommy? I do have my lint roller. This is so random, but everybody's having babies. Literally everybody is having babies. I just seen Little Yachty and his girlfriend just she announced on her birthday that they had a little girl. I think it's by Little Yachty. I'm pretty sure it is. But yeah, everybody's having babies. It's crazy. It's so freaking crazy. So I'm just lint rolling this. This didn't really have too much lint on it. Really, for real, for real. I'm gonna set it up here. I need to be careful. So I always like to press from the inside. I probably should use my, I think it'll be alright. I have like a little thing that goes over top of, oh, here it is. So this is like basically like a protector from this metal, so that way when you have like delicate fabrics and stuff, you don't burn it. And this is silk, so I don't want to like burn the silk, so I'm gonna use this. Put that over there. And oh my goodness, this is giving me like flashbacks of when I was working at, Guess. I used to have to press all the clothes. It was actually a really fun experience though. Like I learned a lot more about like running a clothing store, which is the reason why I was happy to work there, because I got to gain that experience to see more how they do things. I even experienced working on Rodeo Drive, which was like super fun. I was shocked. They like picked me to like go over to the Guest on Rodeo Drive to work, and I was like super excited about that. That was like really fun. And then it was like a lot of people from all over that worked for their company came, and I really think that's good. It took like 2 seconds. They came and we all had to like work together for, dang, I can't remember what it was that we were doing. Oh, they were like remodeling the store or whatever, so we had to like get everything back together because they had to like shut down the Rodeo store. It was crazy. It was a lot going on, but it was a fun experience. I think I'm just gonna press out these arms. What you doing? Sit down, mamas. I don't know why Starbucks has been closing at 4. They close early now. Yeah, they close early now. So I know a lot of people probably wonder, like, as far as for like some of my new pieces, do I source them? I do have a vendor for some of my newer things. Like this tank top, I have a vendor for it. But everything else is like one of one. I have the one of one pieces, and then I have the stuff that I get from my vendor. This will probably cost me little to nothing to ship, which is what I love about it. I have to find Tahara. That's another thing I wanted to do today when I go out. I need to find her a coat. I just got her some hat and gloves yesterday. But I went out, I actually went to, where did I go? Burlington Coat Factory. They didn't really have any coats. It was all for like, you know, older kids. So my mom went to Ross and she didn't see any at Ross either. She only seen like one. I know it's gonna be rare to find like coats down here because, you know, wintertime down here is really not like winter. So, but I'm hoping I can find her a nice coat for the wintertime because she does need one. So I'm gonna put these in here. I always like to put 2. I'll leave that open. That works. Tahara has a birthday coming up. I cannot believe I'm literally getting ready to have a whole freaking 1-year-old. Literally about to have a whole 1-year-old, and I'm like super excited about it. It's crazy. We're about to go to the next stages. Not walking yet, but everybody keeps telling me I'm about to have a time once she does start walking, which I already know. Yeah. Now I do have these mailers, but I like to, until I get like a, because I don't have like a printer right now at the moment, and I don't have like a label printer, which I have to get one. But for now, I could use these, which would probably save me money, but again, I want my stuff to ship off fast anyways, so I just put it right in the priority mail because the priority mail package, because like I said, I want my stuff to ship off fast. Somebody's calling me. So this one, I told you guys how I like to like cross promote my stuff. So this one actually sold on eBay. What I like about that is the fact that now I'm getting the opportunity to basically promote my stuff even more. So if somebody who shopped with me from on eBay didn't know that I have a website, they can go to my website, they can go to my Instagram, and it's basically just helping me to build more clientele so they can possibly sign up for my email list. So again, I stick the 2 business cards in there as well as the flyer, and they'll have all of that. And yeah, that's just building my clientele. I like to cross promote on other apps like Depop and Etsy. I haven't gotten on Etsy yet. Depop. I need to get onto Etsy. Where else am I on? Poshmark. Instagram, of course. I'm on Facebook. And then I have my website. That's just a key tip. Like if you're a business owner or you sell anything and you feel like, oh, I have a website but I'm not getting the sales like I would want to, you always want to leave yourself the opportunity to cross promote other places besides just your website. I'm hoping I have priority labels here, because if not, I'm going to have to write them out at the post office, and that's going to take up time. So we have these packed up. That's another thing I like to do, get my stickers and everything, so that way I can do them from here, but it's alright. We'll just do them at the post office. I'm actually about to take like a little Instagram picture or like a little boomerang, just to show like that I am legit and authentic. I love to like do like little Instagram clips of me shipping off orders, because it just shows that I'm a real person, I'm a real business, and it shows that I'm trustworthy. So that's another thing with business too. You always want to, you know, build that trust with your customers. So hopefully Zahara lets me take my phone to do that for a second. Can I see my phone, mamas? What are you doing? You ripping it? Oh, no! So we do that, and now I'll just take a picture. That's that, and then I'm gonna do like a quick little story boomerang. Super cute. Love it. I love this filter actually. So I'm just going to post this, and yeah, say we're all dressed and ready to go. She got her hat on. It's cold outside. She got on the cutest little outfit. It's like this little fur with like this long sleeve top and some black leggings. Then I just put this jacket on her. This is like a nice little jacket to keep her warm until I gotta go get her a jacket. Yeah, so everybody go run our errand. Book back on. Mommy has on her outfit. I put on this leather jacket, and then I just added these boots just to make it look more, a little bit more put together, since I didn't really get dressed today. See? Post office run. We are back from the stall. We're about to make pizzas.
Yeah,
She's trying to get the...
I need that.
You need some scissors. Boo, eat an egg. You eat an egg? Mommy is my bestie. Mommy is my bestie. I forgot. Here go a knife. How do we... It's a refrigerator freeze, I think. So, get you a regular, like, spread knife. So that way you can personalize your own pizza. Ma, you want one of these? You gonna make your salad? Okay, it got 3 in here, so. Okay, I won't make one if you got your spray at knife. Okay.
You need one?
You know how to make a pizza?
No. Well, yeah, but no.
There we go. I will hope you know how to make a pizza.
Girl, barely.
I wonder if it's easier to make it with use a technique. Technique.
Child.
And then what they say on
Oh yes, girl,
technique.
yes. Honey.
Technique.
Girl, this is so much better.
Yeah, because I feel like you can. Yeah.
Spread it out.
Yeah. I don't know why I said get a spread knife. Make it as saucy as you want to. I probably should have put butter on my
What, butter?
How does this work? Yay, yay. No pan necessary. Add your love here. Let's say, oh, brush the crust with olive oil.
Oh, shoot.
I do it. Do you have to do that? Yeah, I was thinking. We got olive oil though.
Oh, yeah, that's your iPad. I was about to say.
Not Gigi with the iPad.
Girl, that's
Rennie got a new iPad. Hey, girl. Go on, girl. Go on. New phone,
now
new
she got all the Apple products.
Right. Right. You got everything.
Right, the Apple Watch.
My pan a little crusty. What you doing? Okay, girl. What you doing, Zahara? And you know you can add like other stuff onto pizzas, but it's good for now. I always wonder how much cheese I should put on here. Next time we can make veggie pizzas too.
I like pizza with anchovies on it.
Yeah.
So good.
You done had anchovies before?
Yes, girl, so good. Best thing I've ever tasted.
Okay, yeah.
Right, he was making the fire in 2 seconds.